Welcome to English with the Bexleys.
Hello, Michael? Is everything okay?
Mary, we are going to the hospital right now.
The baby is coming! Oh my God! Okay, Michael. Which hospital?
North Hospital.
We are coming right now.
What's going on, Mary?
That was Michael, my brother-in-law.
What is a brother-in-law?
My sister Olivia's husband.
Is Olivia okay?
Yes. They are on the way to the hospital.
Why are they going to the hospital?
Because Olivia is pregnant and the baby is coming today. Wow! I am going to have a cousin! Yes, Lily! Now, everyone, hurry up! Pack a small bag and get in the car.
Where are my car keys? Timmy, look under the sofa.
Not here. Maybe they are in the fridge.
My wallet, car keys, phone. Okay, I'm ready to go.
I am a bit stressed, Michael.
I believe in you, Olivia. You can do it.
Olivia, we are here. Everything will be fine. Thank you, Mary. I am a bit scared, but I am ready. All right, Olivia, it is time to go to the delivery room.
Mary and I are coming with you.
I'm sorry, sir. Only one family member can enter the delivery room.
Okay. Mary, can you go with Olivia?
Of course. Thank you.
How long does it take?
It depends on the baby.
What if I am not ready? Nobody is ready. Really? I wasn't. What should I do? Sleep. Sleep? Yes. This is your last chance.
Is it a boy or a girl?
I don't know. The baby always hid during the ultrasound.
Maybe the baby was playing hide and seek.
A few hours later.
Congratulations! You can see the baby now. They're in room 305.
Thank you. Let's meet our new family member.
Michael, it's a healthy baby boy. He is beautiful.
Is this my boy now? He is so handsome like me.
Yay! We can play football!
You have to wait a few years, Teamy.
Congratulations, Michael and Olivia. He looks like a strong man. What name will you give him?
Thank you, John. We are thinking about 2 names. The first one is Alex.
The second one is good.
John. Finally, he is asleep. John, this is her first baby. She needs my help. I'll stay with her tonight.
I can help Olivia with changing the diapers.
Have you ever changed a diaper?
Of course! Even 3 times. Timmy owes me a lot.
No, thank you, King of Diapers. Please just take Timmy and Lily home. Can I stay, Mom? I can help you. Sure, honey. Your help is priceless.
Okay, Mary. Don't worry about us. Timmy and I are going home.
There is no dinner at home. You can order something.
No worries. We will have a great father and son day. Man to man.